I loved absolutely everything about the Wonder Stay. It was such a fun atmosphere. The whole group was so good. It was small and intimate without being just professionals, you know. It was so organic the way everyone shot, but there was always a direction and there was always a vision that we were able to feed off of, which I feel is really, really rare in workshops.
I realized that as we put all of these creative designs into place and we created this space where these women could come together and learn from us and learn from each other, that I was also learning from them at the same time.
I came back to the Wonder Workshop just because I think every year you need inspiration, and it's so fun to watch everybody get ideas from everybody. It's just inspiring to see what people do and how much they love it, and just the joy of it and the fun of it. It just re-energizes you.
I think everyone should come to this workshop because it was amazing. Like, hands down amazing. It was something kind of out of my comfort zone, and when I was able to push myself to attend, and it was the best thing ever. It was, it's gonna be incredible for my business, and I would really encourage you to sign up.
So walking in with nothing, I definitely feel like I'm leaving with a lot. I feel like I'm walking in and I'm like, wow, I know nothing. Like, I barely know how to work my camera, but now leaving, I know how to work my camera. I know how to pose like brides with a couple. Like, I know how to work detail shots now and make them look spectacular. And I feel like now I'm at a point where I'm I think I could do this.
Above all, I love the relationships that are developed from the Wonder Workshop. The fact that Instagram groups are being made, Facebook groups are being made, and these girls are shooting with one another, and our vendors are reconnecting with these ladies. I can only hope that from this point on, the Wonder Workshop grows and expands, and it's known in other cities and states.
I love the Wonder Workshop and specifically Wonder Stay because they change it up so much from year to year. For me, I think every photographer should attend several workshops if they can, but at least one a year, and the Wonder Workshop should be at the top of that list.